Sorry, Tasha. You never been pushing so far. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
Hey guys, what you know? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am Sasha. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And by the title, you already know what I'll be doing. Today, I am going to be making a strawberry banana smoothie bowl. As you know, I've been loving smoothie bowls. I've been doing it for 2 videos now. This is the 3rd video. I don't know if I'm going to be doing no more smoothie bowl, but they're so yummy, healthy, tasty, so why not? So I don't want to ramble on too much. I want to invite our special guest for today, who will be assisting me with this smoothie bowl.
Hi guys.
Okay, Tashella. So you think this smoothie bowl will be a success? Because on the video, them use a special type of blender. I wanna have that, just a cheap one. So you think the strawberry and the banana will go well, like how you see it look in the videos?
Yeah.
Alright then, so she'll be here to assist and see if it will happen. So let's get this show
On the road.
and God. Sorry, Tasha. You never been pushing so far. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see me, so I'm probably gonna bend down like Tasha here. As you know, I am very tall, so you're gonna stoop down. So Tasha, gonna show them what we have. We already said what we have, but let's show it for presentation purposes.
So this is the banana.
Yes, I bought 2 bananas plus I had another bag with some, just took out some. Any amount, you know, you're just gonna eyeball it.
And the milk.
Yes, gonna use a splash of milk as Twinkle said in. Although it's not their exact recipe, but you know.
And the frozen
Mind the glass, Natasha.
strawberry.
Frozen strawberries. Yes, so we have everything here. Got a blender, you know. And yeah, gonna start off. Let's see me do the video time and time again. Put a splash of milk. Take your time. Wait, you know what? 1. Take your time. Stop. That you think that's too little? It's not my problem, you know, if you know the quantity of milk. Alright, stop. You can always add more if necessary. So banana now. Take your time. You know, so can and yeah. And then I'll put my small bladder inside there. Put the milk right here, so cause me know Tasha she have a little way where she bounce over things, so we don't want that. So as you know, I normally press ice crush since helps me to get it more refined. So I'm gonna do that now. Tasha the knives I got a now. Alright, let's go. What a blender load. Jesus Christ.
What every blender load.
Everyone?
Yeah. Cause I think the bullet.
Yeah.
That loader.
The magic bullet loader
Yeah.
is?
Think. Comment below if me right or me
Which
wrong.
one loader?
Here.
Take your time. Stop. Tasha, why you call it you have for your milk? It's looking like a, you know, like a pretty pink. Yeah. Tasha ready for you, you know? Tasha want a jewel. guys could see, but probably. Alright, let me make you guys see. Let's look at it. This is how it's looking now. It's coming. Alright. Think this is it, you know. You see, I can't want it. Guys, somebody saw that you can't come. Alright. Let's try this. Okay. Alright, you can't do like this because basically I don't have the spoon and them have. But look at it. Thick. This is a thick smoothie bowl. Okay. Runny but thick. I love it. Can go on. What do you think, Tash?
Looks good.
So yeah guys, gonna share it now. You probably won't see me again, but you will see Tashela. Because Tasha is shorter than me. Look at the texture. Oh, what's that? What's thick smoothie? And just had strawberries at the top. Don't mind them guys, they're frozen. But just for the thumbnail, this is it. See here? Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Mmm.
Yes, banana.
And?
Strawberry.
It's good?
Yeah. And it's sweet.
The banana do that, but we're not putting no sugar in it.
This is my first time.
So, you gotta do this back again?
Yeah, but
What? No, you can be honest.
different fruits.
Like?
Mango.
So you have to say no, like the strawberry with the banana.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
But why you want to change it? Why you want to do that this?
Suppose you can do 3 different. You can use a banana, strawberry, and a different fruit. 3 different.
Yeah. You can use any amount. You can use the whole fruit if you can hold in there.
Okay.
Probably you're gonna need a bigger blender.
Exactly, I pour a blender. So yeah guys, we have come to the end of this video. You have anything to say?
Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
You're earlier guys, so thank you so much for watching. Until wait. Guys, tell me what next you want me to do, what I can afford that is. So yeah, thank you for joining. So remember what you said, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, you know, all that good stuff. So until next time, bye. Wait, another bye let me do. Bye. Bye guys.